typically that worry kills the cerebral cells of your brain. Yeah, they die. You know what can cure it? Not medicine. You know what can cure it?
What's that?
No medication. Can cure.
What's that?
So when you worry and stress and worry, it kills many cells of your brain in the middle. Your focus will disappear. Kaya nagkaroon ng Alzheimer rin ba? The cause of that is worry. Oh. You know what can cure that? Not medicine. Gratefulness.
Wow. Praise the
Science has proven that thanksgiving and gratefulness cures
Father. Thank you, Pastor.
those dead cells, that they will become alive again.
Thank you.
As in the blood, you tell the doctor about you, the doctor will not let the blood talk. Then they get some of your blood and they will know what you are. Taas ba yung ano mo, ganito, dugo mo, sa dugo makikita kung sino ka. Taas yung kreya mo. And even the doctors right now, scientifically, can predict through the blood when you will die. The one that kills your brain are stress, worry, and bitterness, and those negative things. It kills. But only gratefulness can revive them.
Father.
Kaya yung mga taong hindi mapasalamaton, madaling mamatay. Unthankful people, they easily die.
Praise the Father.
Tapos mag-mutate yung dead na yon sa body mo, then all of a sudden it becomes cancer. Oh. So be grateful in everything.
Thank you, Pastor.
Maliit na bagay. Kaya
Thank you,
yung,
sir.
yung awit na count your many blessings, name them one by one. That should be the medicine for all kingdom citizens. You have to sing that every day. Count your blessings, what you see every day. Kaya ako, every day, I live in amazement. I see, kaya meron akong aquarium. I am amazed. When I see a little creature like an ant, I'm so amazed. It has a brain, it has eyes, has legs, and it has direction. Pag ginaganon mo, tatakbo siya, magtatago. Like, we have an ipis last night. There in the pasenda. And he saw me. And I was going to patayin ko siya
Step on
ganun.
it.
Nagtago siya doon sa gitna ng labesa, yung may bilog. Nagtago siya, he was hiding. I did not kill him anymore. Hiding for fear of his life. Just imagine, that's life. Life is a mystery and an amazement to me.
Praise the Father.
Life. Yung mga plants. Even a genius scientist cannot make one living plant, one living leaf. They can make artificial, but one living one, you cannot. Just imagine the life. Anything you plant, the soil is nothing to us. The dirt, the soil. But it gives life. Everything you put in there goes into life. Just imagine, para sa atin, wala lang yung lupa. Pero ano man ang gano'n mo dyan, it blossoms, it gives life. Is not that an amazement? That's why every day I live in amazement, I tell you. Every day, I live in amazement. I am amazed every day.
Praise the Father. Praise the Father.
Ang iba naman, they worry every day. They worry without the cause of worry. Just worry, madali ka mamatay. You grow old, then sickness will visit you, and that's the end. Those cells dies every day. Oh. Scientific yun. There's a scientific study. The only one that can revive those dead cells by worry is through gratefulness.